Today we're going to talk circuits, what they are, why they matter, and how you, yes, you and them press-ons, can build one with your bare hands. Let's plug in. A circuit is like a little electrical highway. You got a power source, something to power, and wires that connect everything in a loop. That's it. When the loop is complete, electricity flows and the light comes on. Boom. That's a closed circuit. If it's open, nothing. Now let's build it. You don't need a degree. Just some basic items and a little confidence. Supplies. AA batteries. Small light bulb. Wire. And a switch if you're feeling extra. How to build a closed circuit. Connect the battery to the light bulb using wires. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. Turn it on and bam. Light up the room like you just entered it. This is the foundation. If you can do this, you're already ahead of most grown men. Series circuit. It can be one battery and multiple lights, all in a single loop. If one bulb goes out, the whole thing goes out. Parallel circuit. Multiple lights connected across separate branches. If one light goes out, the others stay lit. More complex, but more reliable. I know you might be like, girl, I am not trying to build a robot in the woods, but hear me out. Knowing how electricity flows is freedom. In a crisis, you could charge devices, power lights in a blackout. Be one step closer to scaling your circuit and building a makeshift generator. In the unpredictable world we live in, the baddie who knows how to build her own light source, that's a whole different level of survival. Whether you're trying to stay safe in a blackout, power your own shelter, or just want to understand how the system you rely on works, it starts with one thing: the circuit. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing if you have ever built a circuit when you were in school. Stay smart, stay savvy, and stay in the light. Love you, sis.